Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy. In the previous video I talked about this idea that the risk community can be clustered into two groups, the users and the generators. Generators being the ones that are very quant oriented, experienced, and the ones that generate the distributions for the risk analysis, and the users are the ones that integrate the outputs from the generators into decision-making models and drive the change from deterministic to stochastic world. Now, why I think this distinction is absolutely critical is that over my career in risk, I have been contacted dozens and dozens of times by companies saying, we want to upgrade our risk game and we want to switch from qualitative astrology-like, they never said that, but we all know, astrology-like risk management to quantitative risk analysis. And my first question is always the same. It's like, sure, fine. Who is the audience? And they say, well, the audience is accountants or risk managers or somebody in a strategy team or somebody in finance team. And then my next question is, okay, well, what's their background? What's their education? How confident are they with probability theory and decision science? How well do they understand the different types of distributions, the concept of correlation? How good are they with math? And most of the time the answer is they're not very good, or they haven't done it since school. So we will need to start fresh. And by the way, you have like a day or 2 days or 3 days to bring them up to upgrade their risk game. And my answer to that is always the same. That is just wishful thinking. That is literally impossible. Unless a person has done years at university studying math and statistics and corporate finance, they have zero probability of being able to run complex quantitative risk analysis. Zero probability. No 3-day course, no 5-day course will make you into a generator. And that's why I feel this distinction is so important. Some people throughout their career happen to be generators. If you have not happened to be a generator, you will not become a generator, no matter how many training courses or certificates you obtain. I mean, CFA, FRM are probably the certificates that kind of give you an indication that you could become a generator, unless you're already a generator, because they have a lot of prerequisites. They require a lot of prior knowledge to be able to pass the exams. But other certifications are probably not going to turn you into a generator, but they will turn you into a very powerful user. And I feel this idea, this concept is so important that once you realize you haven't got the diplomas, the skills, the competencies to be a generator, then you have to stop trying to become one and become a very power user, and just find the generator. Either outsource some of the risk analysis, some of the model development to the generators that are available in the market. And in fact, that is what a lot of government organizations are doing. They're just outsourcing this model building to model builders, the generators that understand math very, very well. Or hire a generator like I did. For example, I don't think I can actually kind of claim myself to be a generator, even though I have my first degree in risk management in Australia, my second degree is in statistics. For the last 2 years of university, I was the best student in the course, in the risk management course, because I was doing so well in statistics. Even though I have an inclination to be a generator, I've never really pursued this quantitative side, and so I've forgotten a lot of things. Yes, I understand all the distributions. Yes, I can get the general principles. Yes, I understand how the math works. But when I, as the chief risk officer of a very large multi-billion-dollar organization, needed to build models, I hired people to build models. So I had in my team, I had really good quants that were able to generate the distributions, build the models, and do the generate, basically literally generate the risk analysis for the models, and then I was the power user. I went around and convinced other people to integrate the output of the risk analysis into their decision. So I feel this concept of users and generators deserves to be explored a lot more, because it's a very powerful concept and it has huge implications for the risk profession. Not everybody is meant to be a generator, and that's just, I think, something that we need to accept as an industry and live with that. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Please write. If you enjoyed this video, like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch all the other videos as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.